Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix CashApp please try again later iOS error. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. So this is how you do it. So first of all, you have to check the CashApp server status. So the error may be caused by a temporary issue with the CashApp servers, so suggest clicking the CashApp website or social media pages to see if there are any reported outages or service distributions. The second step is to force quit and reopen the CashApp. So it's pretty self-explanatory. The steps are going to be different for iOS and Android devices. The third step is to update the CashApp application. So explain that using an outdated version of the CashApp can sometimes cause errors. The fourth step is to clear the CashApp app cache, so you can do it on an Android phone, but this is not possible on an iOS device. So you just have to force close the application and force unload it, and this should clear your CashApp application cache. The last step is to restart the iOS device. So if it still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go to google.com and go to CashApp support like this. Now you can either call them or send them a ticket on their website, and also make sure to check CashApp server status like this to make sure that CashApp is up and running. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.